Hi guys, Boris again here, and today we will make a simple summer salad. So since we are here in Finland and they have seasonal vegetables, then every summer they have this summer cabbage. It tastes sweet, and this one, asparagus. So okay, let's make some salad. Okay guys, so this is our ingredients. The summer cabbage and mushrooms, button mushrooms, fresh ones, and 2 colors of bell pepper, yellow and red, fresh asparagus, organic, and some cherry tomatoes. Tastes sweet. I taste it. Yeah, it's sweet. And for our protein, we will use Halloumi cheese. So it is vegetarian. It's not vegan. It's vegetarian. But if you want if you want this recipe to be vegan, you can use, for example, tofu or tempeh or other protein source. For example, like mung bean patty. Okay, so cabbage. What is the difference between our, because we have 2 kinds of cabbage in here in Finland. So this summer cabbage, it's quite young, so it's quite, there's space inside, so it's still soft, it's not hard. The old cabbage is hard. And this is the favorite of Ginger. This is our vegetarian dog. More. So in asparagus, if you're preparing asparagus, just a little bit of trivia. You will know what is the edible part of asparagus is when you crack this one. So until here, that's the edible part. So you hold it on the both sides and then you just snap it. So this one is really hard and stringy, so you don't want to eat this. So that's what we will do in our asparagus. So there you go. This is our vegetables. Now for our halloumi. Take half of this. So this is 200 grams, so 100 grams of halloumi of our protein. So that's it. So we will season now the vegetables. So we put some olive oil, Himalayan salt, some pepper. So we will start grilling the vegetables. If you have some grill outside, then that's nice. You can give more flavor to the vegetables. And during summer, grilling is really nice. But now since it's raining outside, you cannot grill. So we do it in the skillet. There's the color. That's for sure there's flavor. Okay, so it's ready. So now we put the halloumi cheese, which is heat it and grill it for quite some time, so it will have color, extra flavor, and the texture will be soft. And I will put like the tomatoes. Okay guys, so luto na yung ating vegetables and yung ating halloumi. It's already grilled. And bloopers kanina, nag-on yung alarm dahil sa smoke. But now, we will plate it. Come on. Here's the cabbage. So, tender siya. Kasi nga, summer cabbage. So now, we put the cabbage and put the bell pepper. When I'm plating, I don't like fancy things. So, my priority in my food is flavor, texture, syempre yung presentation, pero hindi ko siya ganon kumbaga pa-prioritize. Mas importante yung lasa. Pero kasi sabi nila sa culinary is the eye eat first. So, may factor siya, pero simple cabbage salad. So, yun yung ating simple asparagus, cabbage, and halloumi salad. And we will finish it with aceto de balsamico. So, freezer lang natin. Added flavor, Maldon sea salt. Enjoy! So guys, hirap umanggulo, no? So this is the best part. We will taste the salad. Come on. So take a little bit of everything. So ikaw muna. Does it taste? I like this. The cabbage. So.
Love that.
Halloumi. Who likes halloumi? Saltiness of the halloumi and the sourness of the balsamic. It gives the contrast. Plus the texture of the cabbage and the grilled taste. Mamma mia. This is a full meal. So, I hope guys you enjoy our video and comment below if you like this kind of salad and let us know what other recipes do you want to see. Bye! So guys, shout out nga pala kay KaBalbas Vlog. Check out his channel, and then kay Tito Paz Who. He has interesting vlogs. And then if you want cycling tips and healthy recipes and tips for cooking, check out Cycling Chef. And for some travel vloggings, you can check StrikeThroughTV. So till next time again. See you. Ciao.